What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. We got another jam-packed video laced for you guys today that's going to give you some great information on one of the coins that you need to place on your radar. But first, before we get into that, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Today, Bitcoin is at 69,550. Earlier, we did see it cross above the $70,000 mark, which is excellent. Bitcoin has been doing just that, trading sideways over the past week or so, which is excellent. We know the Fear and Greed Index is at 64. Yesterday, we saw it at 66, so the Fear and Greed Index is teetering up and down one or two ticks also, which is no big deal. But one of the main indicators that we like to look at that has been responding in our favor is the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is continuing to decrease. Currently, the Bitcoin dominance is 52.7%. We love when the Bitcoin dominance tends to go down because we know as the Bitcoin dominance goes down, the altcoin dominance goes up, and that is a direct indicator that we are getting and inching closer and closer to altcoin season. Now, let's get into our coin of the day. Our coin of the day is one of the coins that I have been bringing to you guys over the past few months. We have just been dollar cost averaging into this coin like we are instructed to do according to our guidelines and fundamentals as to how to dominate a Bitcoin cryptocurrency bull market. That coin is Spell Token. Spell Token is one of the coins that we've been buying for well over a year. Spell Token currently is priced at 0.001032. This is the number 452nd largest cryptocurrency coin in the world. The market cap for Spell Token right now is just $110 million market cap. So it is a very low cap coin, not quite small as 20 million, but it's not a large cap coin. It's still a small cap coin. It's number 452. It's in the top 400, so it still have a lot of room to grow and still have a lot of room to pump. Currently, Spell Token is up 16% on the day. All-time high for this coin is showing that it's at 3.5 cents. One of my charts show 3.5 cents, but when I look on coin market cap, it's showing that the all-time high is at 7 cents. So you know, with me, I like to take the conservative approach, and then if it goes above that, then that's great. But I'm going to use the 3.5 cent all-time high just for a conservative approach. So if we get back to the all-time high of 0.035, which is 3.5 cents, you're talking about a 35x from where we are today. We've been dollar cost averaging into this play well before it got to this price here. So our multiplier will be larger than 35x, but if you're getting in today, a 35x, if it get back to this all-time high, is great. But like I always say, even if this coin don't get back to its all-time high and it don't do a 35x, what if it only do a 15x? Would you be upset? That is the kind of perspective you have to place on these coins. Just because you are placing a range on it, yeah, I'm saying, okay, I'm hoping it go into 35x, 40x, or it may even do a 70x if it get back to the all-time high of what coin market cap is saying. But what if it only do a 15x? If it only do a 15x, that's no big deal. Anything that goes a 10x or more is a success in the doggone bull market. So this coin right here, I'm banking on it doing at least 35x. I'm thinking and hoping that it will do more. This Spell Token has been around since the previous bull cycle of 2021. This coin is on a lot or all of the large cryptocurrency exchanges. This coin is on Coinbase. It's on Binance. It's on Uphold. It's on crypto.com. You can find this coin everywhere. So for all the exchanges to be supporting a coin like this, that right there is showing that this is a coin to be reckoned with. You do not want to sleep on this coin. That's what I've been telling folks. Everybody been asking me, what's going on with Spell Token? How come Spell Token is not moving, coach? I tell you, you have to have patience. We're only 5 weeks into the Bitcoin halving. This is the same thing folks was asking me about Turbo 4 weeks ago. What's going on with Turbo, coach? How come Turbo is not running? Same thing I told them. You have to relax. You have to be patient. It's like placing that meal up in the oven. Each meal, each play has a separate recipe. If the recipe called for 45 minutes, You can't go in there opening up that oven after 10 minutes expecting your meal to be done, expecting your coin to start pumping. It's a process. You got to understand the process. That's why I tell you guys, if this is your first time in cryptocurrency market, you may want to come over there, join us in the Patreon, because I have a list of the top 10 small cap coins that I like and a list of the top 10 large cap coins I like. A lot of time when the newbies come into the cryptocurrency market, they get attracted to coins called Donald Trump or Joe Biden or Kanye West coin or the Caitlyn Jenner coin, and they want to come to me, Coach, what do you think about the Kanye West coin? Coach, what do you think about the Caitlyn Jenner coin? I'm telling them, this is your first time in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of time they put these coins out there so they can attract the newbies. These are high potential scam coins, high potential rug pulls. But if this is your first time in the cryptocurrency market, you don't know no better. If you're not connected with a community, if you're not in a Patreon like the Stock Holiday Patreon or somebody else Patreon, to where you can't lean on, you can't ask the various questions, and you will get destroyed, you will get wrecked. You do not want to be navigating in this cryptocurrency bull market as a lone wolf, because you want to take advantage of 2024, 2025 bull market. Otherwise, you'll be waiting around for the bull market of 2028. So, like I said, come on over there and join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. And like I said, I just come to y'all every evening just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. Coming to y'all every evening to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.